Hi guys, now I will show you how to order for charts through the Navtor planning station. I don't know how many of you all have this planning station, but it is quite easy, very comfortable, and the best part is that Navtor is directly integrated with the EGDIS, so there is not much of an effort in this Navtor planning station. So right now here you see this is the Navtor planning station. I double click on it. And it opens up like that. So sign in. Let me adjust the camera a bit. I'm not sure this is clear enough. And this is how the Navtor planning station opens up. And on the right over here, I click the vessel's name. So this is how the best part about Navtor is that you can save all the routes, so when you're going on the same route you don't have to keep on importing your routes to the planning station. It's already there, you just have to load it and order for a chart. Okay, so now you can see here there are several options here. I don't use any of them so much. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the routes section. Right here you can check, if you guys are not able to see the mouse, this is the one, the route section. So now there are already, like I told you, preloaded charts all the way till here. Now suppose I have to order for charts from Le Havre to Algeciras right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have saved the .csv file, like I showed you in my previous video how to save the .csv file from EGDIS to your pen drive. Now after saving that file, I'm going to click here, right here, import. If you can see, there's an import option. I will open my pen drive and I will open my route. Let me try to find my route. Yes, right here, and I'll click on open. So it says one route has been imported successfully. You click on OK. So the route has been loaded here. To just get a check, you can just click over here and it will show you that this is the route that you have created. Now next what you have to go is you have to go to the ordering section. So once you go to the ordering section, here is where you can order for the charts. Please bear with me, it takes few extra seconds to get this thing working. Okay, now that it's been imported, now you see the first file out here. The first file is the file that I have imported. I'll click on the file and it turns into purple. Now if you can see right here, right over here, it shows order renew license. So I will click on that, order renew license. Here it shows ENC and it shows the digital publications. I will click here. Now here it shows for the number of months that you need. You can either select 3, 6 or 12 depending on your trading route. This is not very often a trading route for me, so I will click it to the minimum 3 months. Now corridor width over here shows 1 nautical mile. I usually like to keep it 5 nautical miles so that within the 5 nautical mile range of my route, whatever charts are there, it will highlight all those charts and it will be easier for me to order for it. And I will click OK. So once I click OK, it will search for all the files, all the charts that are available. Now you see right here it shows digital publications and it shows 0/10. Let me zoom in for you guys a bit. Right here it shows 0/10. That means no digital publications are required, all of them are up to date. Now you see here ENC, it shows 19 out of 42, which means that 19 charts out of 42 charts are unlicensed or their chart has been expired. To get a view, okay, let me just zoom in a little bit, okay, to give you a better picture. And now, so it shows all the files out here. So to get a idea about which charts you need, you can just see the unlicensed part here. Just double click and it will show you this. Okay, this is what we need. This is also something we need. I'm going to cross this area. This is Algeciras. I will need this area as well, this one as well. I will just include it. And over here this one is required, this one is required. So more or less likewise there are all these charts that you need. So suppose if you feel that there are still some pending charts and you are not sure if this is enough to order the charts, then what you can do is, you can see right here, let me just do this for you. You can see right here there is an option of show all. When you click on show all, it shows all the charts that are in this area and available. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to zoom in and check if I'm missing out a chart or no. Like this one, I need this chart since I will be passing through here, and this is Gibraltar Strait. So I will just right click and I will click on confirm. As soon as I click on confirm, over here the chart has been added. So likewise I will just see if there are any other charts that I need. So this one also I will just try and include. You never know, when you're doing a coastal passage, it is best to get all the coastal charts that you need. Like you see here, the charts are increasing. It was 19, now it has become 21. So now I'm zooming in on the English channel. You see here this one is missing, so I will include this one as well. And then I will just go over here to Algeciras and I will see that, okay, this one also let me include. And I think I'm done for now, and all the required charts, whatever I need is right here. Let me include this one too. Don't need anything else. Everything looks fine as of now, and so I'm done. Now this is how I have ordered for charts. And then the next step is calculate. Is just for your reference. It will give an idea of approximately how many what is the cost the owners have to pay for the charts. That's it. Now once you're done and you're satisfied with your order, you have to just click on send order right here. When you click on send order, there's a whole display of the charts, and right down over here, can you see here we have to just click tick mark that I accept and hereby confirm the terms and conditions like you usually do, and then you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your order automatically goes to the Navtor planning station. It does not have to go through any mail or any other procedure. It's a direct link from your station to Navtor out there. Navtor will receive your order. They will send the order receipt to your owner, and owner will approve it, and you will get the chart permits. That is it. In my previous video I also showed you how to update the permit, so we are done. And this is how I order for chart permits through my Navtor planning station. Another one useful feature for the Navtor planning station is when you make the passage plan, like you guys know, we have to also attach a list of ENCs and digital publications that we have used for the particular voyage. Now in Navtor it is very easy to get the list. What all you have to do is, for example, like upload, just click on this, for example, scenes to Huelva. This is the old route which I have uploaded right here, and now I want to know what are the ENCs and digital publications that I have for this route. So you see the option right up here, it says order manually. It says right here show products. Now I say show products route for vessel. I will click show products route for vessel. Let me show you again. Above order manually, it shows show products route for vessel. I will click on that. I will click ENC digital publications. I will click 5 nautical mile corridor width, and I will do OK. When I do OK, the Navtor planning station will generate a PDF file, something like that, and here it shows save to list. I will click save to list. This is a PDF file that is generated, and whatever name, I will click on it and I will save it to the desktop, and I will click OK. Just to show you, this is how it is. You see, this is the list of charts and ENCs and publications that are there for that particular voyage. It's a very easy thing and a very quick method, and you just have to take a printout and attach it to your passage plan, and you can also attach it to your NP133C schedule A column, the section 1 or section 2 column where it is. Well, there is one more thing which I can show you. Probably I don't use it that much, but just for your reference, you can also click on order manually, and then you can click on ENCs, you can click on show all right here, and you can manually also order for the ENCs that you require for whatever particular area or some particular ENC that you need. This is also just a simple method. Like if you're not going through that passage but you just need that one particular chart, you can do it through order manually as well. That's it guys, this is all that you have to know for the Navtor planning station. For anything else in detail you can go through the manual, but I don't think so there is anything more important than just these few features. That's it. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoy the video.